Welcome to the Unreal Adventure Trail Fix series, where we dive a little deeper into some of the trail fixes that happened during the event. We're in Farmington, New Mexico, and crony Clifton Slay is about to find a problem that needs to be addressed right away.
Well, we were sitting here and I just found that the front track arm bracket is cracked. The good news is it's a double shear bracket and only one side broken. So
okay.
It's still located, which is great. And I think just a lot of our really steep downs and then heavy turns probably smoked it today. But
Gotcha.
luckily caught it before it ripped it off the axle, so pretty easy fix.
Right.
Weld a wrench to it. Should be good.
Cool.
For the week.
Fellow crony Chris Durham's Jeep is equipped with a Premier Power Welder, and it gets used often throughout the week. The output of the welder is controlled by engine RPM. The higher the RPM, the hotter the arc.
Well, it's a good trail repair. It'll definitely get us to camp tonight, but we're gonna get some heavier plate and shape it, make it better so the Jeep will survive the rest of the week. You never know, sometimes with these well, I cracked the check arm bracket. I think about it. So it's a double shear bracket. Luckily the side on the axle stayed intact. Outside broke. We trail fixed it by welding a wrench on there, but now we're using some plate, gonna build a real bracket so it survives the rest of the week. Cool. So that's what we're doing. Yeah. Go for it.